All right, we're gonna go for a little ride here in a 1960 Ford Thunderbird. They call these a Squarebird because they're kind of squared off. They're cool looking though. It's kind of the age of the retro rocket look, you know. It's got the triple tail lights and it just looks like it's about to take off. But this is finished in Corinthian White. It's got the turquoise interior, really nice stainless work and everything like that. Nice gauges. You know, it's got the little spears there on the corners of the fenders. I thought those were kind of cool because it kind of gives you a reference point when you're parking near something or up against a wall, or, you know, it's kind of cool. But it's got the dual mirrors, the fender mount mirrors. It's got power steering, power brakes, drum brakes, of course. But, you know, that's kind of it. It's got a 352 V8. They're rated like at 300 horsepower. And he's got a 310 ratio rear differential. Smooth driving car, man. Very cool, comfortable. Get that total retro look going on. Looks good, looks really good. Got the original wheel covers on it. But fun to drive. You get lots of thumbs up, people checking you out. Not a bunch of money, you know. Nowadays these classic cars are getting really expensive, which is good, you know, it's a good investment. It's money, cash in the bank, you know, if you need to get rid of them. But you know what, these are still kind of a reasonable price because it's a coupe and it's not the most popular year, even though some people just, it's all they like is the Squarebirds. But you know, it's got the original AM radio in there, center console, the steering wheel's beautiful. Everything seems to work pretty good on it. So we're gonna go up here though on the corner, we're gonna take some more pictures and some more video, kind of give you an idea what the rest of it looks like. All right, we're gonna take a little walk around here in this 1960 Ford Thunderbird coupe. Great looking car. They call these a Squarebirds because they're kind of squared off. They got that square roof on them. But really cool. You know, they got fender skirts. They got that rocket-ish looking, you know, body style. Those cool tail lights. Little horns there on the back bumper. But this one's got dual exhaust. Corinthian White's the paint color. It's got turquoise interior. It's original to the door tag. They have a 352 V8. 352s were pretty good little motors. It's got about 300 horsepower. Power steering, power brakes. It's got the little dog dish steelies there. I don't know if those were original. Probably not, because they don't say Ford on them, so they might be actually custom. But you know, that's what people do. You put the wheels you like. You do the stance that you like. It's got air shocks in the back. You can lower it down a little bit. Some guys put air ride on these, give it kind of a cool, you know, rockabilly look. But it's still a Ford Thunderbird. It's even got a great name. I'll show you the interior. What I kind of like about this one, there's not a lot of power options inside. I've had them with power windows and all that, but you know, that's something you always got to fix. These are manual roll-up windows, just old school. Headliner's in nice shape. The seats are beautiful. They've been obviously been redone. The dash is in good shape. I mean, the dash in this car, all the stainless, no cracks in it. This is all expensive stuff to restore, so it's nice when you get one that's kind of already, most of the stuff is done, you know. Steering wheel's original, got a few marks here and there, but man, it still looks great. Center console. Good looking door panels. Pretty cool car. A neat classic without, you know, breaking the bank. Here's the power plant in the 1960 T-Bird. Yep, kind of a lot of room in there, man. It's a good size motor, 352. But lots of room to work on it if you're into doing that yourself, you know. There's the power brake unit. Power steering down there. Radiator system, 12-volt system, obviously. And this is has been rebuilt. I got a stack of records on this car, so apparently they did the trans, they did the motor. A few miscellaneous things here and there. Let me go ahead and fire it up for you. Yeah, I think fires right up. Runs good. I like the reverse tilt hood too. That's just cool. You know how many people try to customize cars to do that? This one comes that way. Runs nice and quiet. Dual exhaust exiting out the back. A little rumble. It's a T-Bird, so you kind of don't want to make too much noise, or maybe you do. Anyhow, you want to come and see this one in person, we're out here in Simi Valley. We're at 2158 Union Place, Simi Valley, California. Phone number is 818-591-1313. Be happy to show you the car in person. If you have any other questions, give me a ring. We can ship it, got good credit, you can finance it. Lots of options. Thanks for watching.